Welcome to today's lesson on currying functions in JavaScript. Currying is a powerful concept that transforms a function with multiple arguments into a series of functions, each taking a single argument. This approach is highly useful in functional programming, enabling flexibility and better code readability. The goal is to take a function that accepts multiple arguments and convert it into a series of nested functions, each accepting one argument at a time. This transformation allows us to partially apply arguments and build more reusable and modular functions. The ES6 version of the currying function uses modern syntax features like arrow functions, default parameters, and the spread operator to make the implementation more concise and expressive. This version is efficient and aligns with the current JavaScript standards. This breakdown illustrates how currying works. Initially, the function is invoked with one argument. Since the total number of arguments is not yet met, it returns another function. This process continues until all required arguments are supplied, at which point the original function is executed. This table showcases how currying transforms multi-argument functions into nested single-argument calls. For instance, instead of calling match.pow28 directly, we use the curried form curry met.pow2 and 8, which produces the same result, 256. The ES6 version of the currying function uses modern syntax features like arrow functions, default parameters, and the spread operator to make the implementation more concise and expressive. This version is efficient and aligns with the current JavaScript standards. Currying is widely used in functional programming for partial application and function composition. It also simplifies tasks like event handling, middleware configuration, and validation logic by allowing us to predefine parameters and reuse functions in different contexts. To summarize, currying is a transformative technique that turns multi-argument functions into a chain of single-argument functions. It simplifies partial application, improves code modularity, and is widely applicable across different programming tasks. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.